What were the biggest, when you had that kind of rapid growth phase from 300K to $1 million a month, what were like kind of the biggest challenges or even mistakes you made, things you screwed up, had to learn the hard way, et cetera?
Yeah. I mean, we would have never got there without Nineveh, who's my wife. She's the CEO, but one of the smartest business men or women that I've had a chance to communicate with. Mm-hmm. The reason we were able to do what we did was the back end and the fulfillment never fell apart. And we had some key players there. My chief of product, he's hired and trained and, has a roster of almost 70 full-time world-class coaches. Like he was the person for that role and he built it. And then on the back end, with all the systems and, servicing any business is difficult. Servicing fitness clients that are cold traffic, that come in, that pay premium, like every single thing has to be dialed in or they're like, I want a refund, right? And so Nineveh is so good. She thinks like an engineer of every step of the client journey to make a seamless, like a very seamless experience for the client. I'm more marketing and sales. Same. And I'm just like, it's like, you paid, you're going to get fit. Like, what else do you want from me?
Right.
And so like without her, like stuff would have broken into 1,000 pieces. Yeah. And I think that the fulfillment mind, I don't want to call her an operator because she is also a visionary, but just the ability to fulfill and scale is something that I think a lot of business owners don't have. That's not my true gift.
Yeah.
I'm a psychological marketer. Yeah. I make it rain. I'm involved in the sales. I love the product because I was a fitness guy since 2010. But all the other stuff, man, like we would have just crumbled.
I'm very much the same way. I'm able to like ramp up demand like crazy. And I was really lucky during that phase to have partners that I called it like organizing the chaos.
Yeah.
I could create the chaos.
Yeah.
But
I'm a chaos maker. Yeah.
You have to have somebody to like process it and like organize it so things actually run smoothly. And when you have that in your business and you can actually focus on where your zone of genius actually is, it's way more fun.
Yes.
Like, I don't know if you felt the same way, but I felt like for me, things got way more fun once I got kind of to and past 400 to 500 grand a month.
Yeah.
Because I got out of having to do like a little bit of everything.
Yeah.
And I was like, okay, now I can just focus on the things I need to focus on.
Yeah. You start hiring people,
Yeah.
smart people that can, have the autonomy and build stuff. So you're right. Like until you have that cash flow, you're always the smartest person in the organization and you got to touch everything. So 100% agree. Like when you're free to do what you're great at and other people are in their right spots, business does get a lot more fun.
If you enjoyed this clip, you can check out the full podcast by clicking on the screen right here to check out the full episode.